Hey guys, my husband and I, we got a new toy. A Milwaukee Sawzall. Yes, I'm outside because I'm going to try it. If it was up to me, I wouldn't have bought this one. I was going to go to Harbor Freight and buy a cheap one. I didn't care if I have to plug it in or not, because we're just not going to be using it a whole lot. But my husband likes nice things, so he got this. And as you can see, there's a battery that's not in the box. This hasn't been opened yet. This is why I wouldn't have bought it. Does not come with batteries or a charger. I expected it not to come with blades, but we got these. These weren't that expensive. They do have bigger ones, but I'm not allowed to use them yet, not till I'm more comfortable with this. But yeah, I just don't like that he had to buy 2 drills to get batteries and a charger. And so we ended up spending a lot of money that I would have got for maybe 80 bucks at Harbor. But if this thing is amazing, then I will have to tell him he did good. But yeah, I want to try and use this on these salmon berries that are all around me. I know that's not what this is intended for, but if it can survive me using this on salmon berries, then it's a good purchase. It's a little heavy. I kind of expected that. Hang on. I'll have to read the instructions. Oh, what I do like about the batteries though, it says it fits all M18, and this is what came with one of the drills. It tells you when it's full. And it's starting to rain, but we'll see if this works. Hopefully it has quick instructions, because I just want to know how to put the blade in. Oh, it does not come with quick instructions. But it comes in several different languages. So far, French, Spanish, probably Portuguese. What's this? Is this a quick thing? Hopefully. Thank you, gracias, mercy. So it went 3 languages, I guess. Oh, it's telling me I can buy more stuff to get more batteries. I don't need none of that. My husband might, but I don't. Oh, I can get a hoodie. I kind of like that. But I'm not seeing any quick instructions. I just want to know how to put the blade in. My dad said I probably need an Allen wrench. And I have a bunch of them. I'm going to have to read how to put the dang blade in. These are Milwaukee blades. And it too does not come with instructions. Just tells me what I should use each blade for. Wood, steel, no. Plastic, no. I'm going to kick the camera for a second while I try and find the instructions in English, because it's not going to be exciting watching me read it, because, yeah, there's no quick little thing. There's a picture that tells you what part is what, but maybe most people that buy this, they don't need instructions. But being how much this thing costs, I want to make sure I do it properly. Is that all I got to do? Blade clamp? Again, this thing is a powerful tool with a moving saw blade, so I don't want to mess up installing the blade. So I'll be right back, guys. Figured it out, and it came with 5 different blades. This pack did. I did not read what each one goes for. But there's the torch, the wrecker, another torch, and then the axe. I'm cutting wood, so I'm just going for the axe, because that's what you use axes for, is for wood. So just got to push it in here. Hopefully it's locked in. It does have like a but just a safety lock. It's on safety right now. Let's see, I don't want to point it towards me in case it flings out. Ooh, it's powerful. I'm going to move the camera. I'm going to try some of these guys right here, and let's see if it will survive some salmon berries. Ooh, I might, hold on. I'm going to put gloves on just to be better. Kind of don't want to get this all dirty, but I'd rather have mud on it than blood. Just have a better grip. Try my feet. Try it. I don't want any obstacles. I do like this. So far I'm going to tell my husband he did good, but again, I don't know how a Harbor Freight one would do. If this one's amazing, then I don't have to wonder, because this will do everything. Not much stuck in the blade. Not bent. That's good. Come on, thing, work with me. Oh, I better turn the safety lock on, because safety never takes the day off. All right, turn it back on. Yeah. And maybe you guys at home can tell me what else I could use this for besides just hacking weeds that are like miniature trees. Because if this is pretty cool, then I wouldn't mind using it on other stuff. I'd have an excuse to use it. Move tree. Hang on. I'm going to kick this for a second and move the camera so you could be a little closer and see this thing in action. Hang on. This is where I've been clearing the last couple times, where I want to put my turkeys. But I have all these salmonberry stumps, so we're going to try it out over here. I got a little chilly, so I had to put my hoodie on. I think next time I use this, I might need a hard hat or a helmet. Because the way it's shaking, I think things might go flying. And I don't want to get hit in the head, of all places. Ooh, it doesn't like, because it's, oh, it did do it just when I snap it. I don't want to, this kind, where it's not really holding up against anything, where it's loose, I don't want to try it on that. I want the more firm ones that, because again, I don't want to hurt myself. Blade's still good. Oh, it has a light. I didn't even notice that. Big thing, are you? Ugh. Just turn my safety on. Don't need to fall and push the button. Try a couple more. Yeah, that kind of, I'm worried I might get hurt. I'm not sure what this is for. It's cool, whatever it is, but maybe if I read more, I'd find out what it's for. I kind of like it, but don't know its purpose. But this thing, I like it. It's doing what I want it to do. I mean, I don't know what you're supposed to use it for. It says axe, so it's meant for wood, but probably like 2x4s or trimming something. The only things I don't like about it, the price. I didn't like that it doesn't come with a battery or a charger, that it's rigged. You have to buy more of their stuff because the batteries are the same price as drills or something else. I don't like that they sent me a pamphlet of all the tools I can buy and not a freaking coupon. You want me to buy all those things, and I know how much most of them are, and came and give me a $10 off, just enough to cover the sales tax. I'd feel a little better buying it if they at least appreciated their customers and said, sure, we'll swallow 10 bucks for you guys. That I don't like. But so far it's pretty good. It didn't have the instructions on how to, but it was very simple after I looked at it, just the parts of what it said each thing was. And all I had to do was flip this, pop it in, then I think I flip this again and it pops out. The safety's on, so I don't know if it'll let me take it out. I don't know if I'm in the camera. So even with the safety on, it will let me take it out. I did ding up I don't know if no, I think it's supposed to be like that, where the teeth are jagged. It's definitely powerful. It scares me a little bit, but that's good because then I'll be more careful. If I wasn't scared, I wouldn't be as careful. Because sometimes we get comfortable and we forget. And we don't want to be put in check by cutting a limb or something off, or a finger. But yeah, I like it. But I'm stuck with it. My husband bought it. And maybe once I figure out more things I can do with it besides just hack up all these, and let me tell you, I don't know if I can lift the camera up, but yeah, see, there's plenty of salmon berries around here to do a lot more hacking with. But yeah, if you don't mind the price, if that's not a problem, then yeah, I'd say it's great. But if you're like me and a cheapskate, I'd go to Harbor Freight. But again, we'll see. I don't know which one's better. But I do like that I don't have to plug it in. I don't have to plug it in, so that's also nice. And I only used it for a couple minutes, and hang on, let's see. Sorry about the camera. Yeah, the battery's still golden, and I used it for a little bit, so that I like, because I could be out here for a while. And again, we got 3 batteries. We spent so much money, we got a third one for free. So we have a third one for free, but again, I didn't want the big gun, not knowing if I'd hurt myself. But yeah, so there's my 2 cents on this very expensive mechanism. Thanks, guys.